What's that? Ah,
Shit. Yeah, he's flattened it, the fatty.
no, it's the He put it on me. Well, nope, there it is. Yeah, I think it's dead.
Do you think he's dead?
Yeah, I think he's dead. Butch killed him, he's a murderer.
He's flattened. Oh my god. My dog is so savage.
Jess, you got a blister. Oh, you have got a blister on your finger?
I know. You savage cunt.
He doesn't like it though. He's killed it because it was alive. Butch, man, it's dead, you wimp. Oh well, the way you put it now.
Underneath.
Jess, you need to remove it. Oh, there it is. Get it. Ah, Butch, stop sitting on him. Where's you gone now?
I don't know. What the fuck?
Oh, there it is. Ah, it's on his phone.
Butch, come here.
Just chuck it out the window. It's dead. Ah! Ah! He said it. He said it. The dog's a murderer. The dog's a murderer.
At least I'm not telling lies.
Ah! The dog ate it. But you're a dirty bastard. Ah, it's gross. Ew. Oh, that is foul. Gross. Disgusting boy.
So I said my dog's eating my new friend.
About. Oh, have you not heard? It was my understanding that everyone had heard.
Heard what?